In a recent trip to the Yukon, I visited a small community where there was a newly constructed yet unused drinking water treatment plant. Why was this new facility sitting there and not being used, especially knowing about the persisting water treatment challenges in Canada's northern, remote, and small communities? After learning more about it, I found out that the problem was that an engineering firm had come in and designed an overly complex system that no one in the community was trained on nor qualified to operate. So what happened here? As environmental engineers, we learn how to design water treatment systems, and then water operators come in and play the really critical role of running the day-to-day operations. Despite how intertwined the work of an engineer and operator sound, surprisingly, people in these roles often haven't had the opportunity to work together. So what if we can bring these two groups of people together to tackle the challenge of access to safe drinking water? We always hear about the power of interdisciplinarity and collaborative problem solving, and this project shows you that in action. We have introduced a co-training program between engineering students from Carleton and water operators in the Yukon with the goal of increasing both parties' capacity by exchanging our respective knowledge. Operators are great 3D thinkers, meaning that they're experienced and comfortable at solving things in the physical, whereas engineering students are trained at being good 2D thinkers by learning how to solve theoretical problems on paper. The key goal of this project is to merge these learning styles, allowing engineering students to gain valuable hands-on skills and practical insights, and operators learn how solving something on paper, such as chlorine disinfection, can empower them in their role. We believe the union of these styles will better equip engineers and operators with more strategies on ways to solve problems and reduce risks. I'm proud to say that so far we've been able to co-train over 20 operators and engineering students, and the results show that it provides both parties a more comprehensive understanding of water treatment, greater confidence in their own abilities, and it demonstrates the power of joint problem solving. Through co-training, we can work together to address the challenges faced by small water systems across Canada and bridge the disconnect between engineers and operators. There's around 300 drinking water treatment plants across this country, and about 180 of these actually service small communities. That's over 60%. Everyone deserves access to safe drinking water, so let's put our minds and expertise together to create sustainable solutions to get there. Thank you for listening.